Hello, hi. I want to introduce today the usage of a library manager that you could use within Klayout. You start Klayout with the script, and then you press load libraries, libs.json. In this libs.json, we'll see the content of the JSON file. This loads the libraries that you want to use in your design, and then you open the library. That's fundamentally the library is the GDS that contains the cells that you will use in the current design, and then you open that. Once you have that, you will see that this is the library that we have opened. It contains the cells that are used from a different library fundamentally. You could save this library like this. Do not save it from the file menu. You click on the file that you want to save, for example, and then you do save. It saves it, and that's it. You have the design loaded. Let's see the difference if we close the layout, exit without saving, because you already have saved it. So if you do that, let's say if we open the layout without actually using the save, you will see that it doesn't actually recognize the cells that were used from a different library. That's why it's very important to actually load libraries like this before you open the layout. Now we have opened the libraries, and then once you see that, it already reloads everything. So now it recognizes the cells and everything like that. Okay, so that's fundamentally how to use our library manager. Thank you. Okay, let's take a look quickly at the JSON file. Cat. Well, we could remove this saved version. Cat libs.json. Fundamentally, here we have those example libraries where we added the standard cells library GDS files, which has all the standard cells, the 70 and the 90 track, and the IOs. You could add your own libraries if you would like. There is no limit. Just make sure to add them like this with the full path, basically the library name and basically the full path of the library that you want to use. If you want to do a PLL, for example, you could have let's say the library called PLL. Underneath it, you could have separate libraries for ring oscillator, for example, VCO, whatever, and then add them here. List them here in the JSON file you are using. That's basically all you need to use it. There are some problems, known problems. This script doesn't work with massive designs that has thousands of cells. It will be very slow at the moment, but I believe it should be usable on mostly analog designs. It should be usable without any problems. Okay, so that's all. Thank you. You could find it. You could find this tool at this location, MyBrain's Klayout libmanager.git. I will help you actually do the design. So I will send the path as well for the. I will send the path for this HTTP repo for you, and you could actually download the tool and use it directly. Thanks. That's all. Thank you.